Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to connections section. Then we'll see here NFC and contactless payments. Just to activate or turn off NFC, you should click once on this switcher. Also you can make it from here, just to click on the switcher. By this way. After that, you can see here the tutorial how you can use the NFC, and if you want to switch the contactless payments, you can make it here. For example, if you have another application, for example, guess I have here only the Google Pay app. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first we should open notification panel, and if you have no, like in my case here, the NFC icon, you should click here on this plus, and after that you will find the NFC icon here on this app section. And just to add it to notification panel shortcuts, you should hold and drag this icon here to this down section, and then click here to done. And after that, you can turn on or turn off the NFC by this way, just by click on this icon. And to launch the NFC settings from here, you should hold for a while this icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.